Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we've just got a short video showing you how to reset the oil and the inspection service lights on this 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. And quite a straightforward reset on these, but it is done in two parts. The oil's separate to the inspection. Now the first thing we're going to do is turn the ignition off, then we're going to press and hold the 0 button there while turning the ignition on. You wait for the message, release the button and press the button once. That's done the first one. Now the first bit's done, we're going to do exactly the same procedure again, but this time we're going to put the hazard lights on. Wait for the message to come up, release the button, press the button again. And that should have now both parts of the service reset there. Just start it up quick. Yeah, that's all done. All we've got left now, we're just going to do the TPMS on this one as well. But thanks for watching, hope the video helped. We'll see you next time.